Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and that iOS is current. This avoids provisioning errors. Once ready, make sure you have the Zong QR or activation code visible and Wi-Fi on, because scanning and download need internet. Then open Settings, tap Cellular, and choose Add Cellular Plan. Follow the scanner prompt. You do this now because it creates the virtual SIM profile, so the phone can register on Zong's network without removing your physical. Once you scan the Zong QR or manually enter the SMDP plus an activation code, the phone downloads the eSIM profile. This is the crucial background step. Next, label the plan, call it Zong, and decide whether it becomes primary for calls or secondary for data. This controls priorities during use. Make sure to enable cellular data for Zong in settings and set data roaming if traveling. If the download stalls, retry the QR scan or switch Wi-Fi networks, then continue. You finish by restarting the iPhone. This forces a fresh network registration and often resolves lingering registration delays. Once rebooted, verify cellular data is using Zong and confirm APN settings match Zong's recommended values so mobile internet works. If calls or data still fail, re-scan the QR or re-enter the activation details, and keep your eSIM exit handy when contacting Zong. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on then off to prompt immediate re-registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.